What if the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia actually saves you thousands of dollars in fuel and maintenance over the years compared to other luxury hybrids? Stick around, because today I'm breaking down the real ownership numbers, pricing, efficiency, and long-term costs that most surface-level reviews barely talk about. Hey everyone, welcome back to AeroNext Auto, where we focus on cars that make sense in real American life, not just on paper. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia, Toyota's elevated hybrid wagon that's quietly carving out its own space between mainstream crossovers and near-luxury SUVs. If you're cross-shopping premium hybrids or wondering whether this is a smarter long-term buy than a RAV4 hybrid or even entry-level luxury models, this breakdown is for you. Let's start with the basics. The 2026 Toyota Crown Signia is part of Toyota's modern Crown family, designed as a lifted wagon-style crossover with standard all-wheel drive and an all-hybrid powertrain. Under the hood, you get a 2.5-liter hybrid system producing about 243 horsepower. It's not trying to be sporty, but it delivers smooth acceleration, confident passing power, and a calm, refined feel on the highway, exactly what most buyers in this segment actually want. Inside, the Crown Signia really separates itself from typical Toyota models. The cabin feels upscale, with soft-touch materials, clean design, and generous rear legroom that works well for families or long road trips. The ride is impressively quiet, thanks to acoustic glass and added sound insulation, which makes daily commuting far more relaxing. Tech is solid across the board, including a large central touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Toyota Safety Sense with adaptive cruise control and lane centering that performs smoothly in real traffic, not just in ideal conditions. On the road, the Crown Signia is composed and comfortable rather than flashy. The hybrid system transitions seamlessly between gas and electric power, and the suspension is tuned for stability and comfort over long distances. For 2026, the available two-tone exterior paint adds a subtle premium look without being loud or attention-seeking. Now let's address the biggest concern for most buyers: cost. In the United States, the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia starts around $44,390 for the XLE trim, typically landing closer to $45,800 to $46,000 once destination fees are included. The limited trim can climb into the $50,000 to $53,000 range depending on options. While that might sound high for a Toyota, it's competitive when you factor in standard all-wheel drive, hybrid efficiency, strong resale value, and Toyota's long-term reliability record. This is where ownership savings really come into play. In real-world mixed driving, owners can expect around 35 to 40 miles per gallon combined, with highway efficiency often pushing past 38 mpg. Compared to gas-powered luxury crossovers, that translates to noticeably lower fuel costs year after year. On top of that, Toyota's hybrid systems are known for durability, often requiring fewer major repairs over time. Routine maintenance tends to be straightforward, and long-term ownership costs are typically far lower than European luxury hybrids with similar pricing. So, is the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia a smart buy? If you want near-luxury comfort, strong efficiency, standard all-wheel drive, and the peace of mind that comes with Toyota hybrid reliability, this vehicle makes a very compelling case. It's not about flash, it's about quietly saving money while enjoying a refined driving experience. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the Crown Signia or are you sticking with something else? If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more real ownership insights, and I'll see you in the next one.